Here's 4 ways to fix weak glutes by actually addressing the root cause. Fix number 1 addresses reciprocal inhibition, which means the front of the hip is so tight that the nerves automatically shut off the glute muscles. To fix it, place the weak leg back, place your hand on your glute and shift forward while pushing forward into the glute more for a deep stretch on the front of the hip. You're going to repeat this movement just like this, keeping the back knee straight while the front knee can bend. We're going to repeat the same movement in kneeling, because this will get some slightly different structures that could be tight on the front of the hip, which causes the glutes to get weak. Fix number 2 is spinal issues, which impact the nerve's ability to produce strength in the glute. So what you're going to do is press your body up like this and back down and repeat for 10 to 20 reps. You'll complete this 3 to 6 times a day. You're not allowing your hips to come up from the table. Instead, just like gravity, drag them downwards as you repeat the movement. For most people, this can help realign the spine. But if that doesn't work for you, the next best strategy would be this, the opposite motion, where you're going to pull your knees to your chest, pause, and release. And you'll do again 10 to 20 reps of this 3 to 6 times throughout the day. And if I feel like that strategy is for you, you can do it in standing, where you'll get more force, where gravity will pull your whole upper body down, stretching and opening up the back of the spine. Now, when it comes to the spine, there's a lot of factors to be considered, but these 2 strategies are great starting points, and if your glute strength starts coming back, then fix number 2 is the one for you. Fix number 3 addresses an uneven pelvis by placing little wedges in your heel. They should be very thin, and you step on them one at a time, and add enough of them until when you stand on them on the one side, both sides of your pelvis are even height, which allows the glutes to be in a position to have the most forceful contractions. And for fix number 4, sometimes the hamstrings do the work that the glutes should be doing. So we're going to pick specific exercises that strengthen the glutes and that do not allow the hamstrings to take over. By doing this little progression where your knee is bent and you extend the hip all the way upward, making sure that you don't rotate your pelvis. Instead, you should try to feel the bone on the front of your hip and keep it down as the knee and thigh lift from the table. As you get stronger, you can progress to laying on your back and bridging up with one leg just like this. And last, you can do the movement with your foot elevated on something about a foot in height. To get more of the glutes involved, you can add a band around the knees for all 3 positions. So get to strengthening those glutes, and if you missed parts 1 and 2, check them out, where you can learn more about your root cause and how it can contribute to head, neck, and jaw pain.